guys. Okay, so this month I'm doing a whole product photography at home series, so make sure you are subscribed. In my last video I did like a product photography at home props and hacks, so I decided to do like a little unboxing or haul in this one because I mentioned thrifting items for your props in the last video. So in this video I am showing some thrifted film cameras. My friend actually gave them to me from his attic. He didn't want them anymore, which I'm like, I'll take them. But yeah, I'm excited to do this unboxing for this thrifted film camera haul. Before I share my thrifted film camera finds, I wanted to share with you my friend's Canon T80 that she thrifted from her father-in-law. This one runs around $100–200, and we ended up trying this out downtown Greenville at the Festival of Trees at the Hyatt Hotel, but this camera was just not cooperating. We had to do a lot of Googling and YouTubing, and unfortunately we think that the camera ate like 3 of her film rolls, which was really sad because we were so excited to try this film camera out downtown Greenville.
Yeah.
Servo manual.
I don't know what that means.
We don't know. We shall Google.
So it has a self-timer too. I know how to turn it on. I know how to load the film. That's about all I know how to do.
So the Canon T80 ended up not working, but we thought it'd still make a great product photography prop, so I wanted to include it in this thrifted film camera haul. I actually did go thrifting after I filmed the intro to this video. It's always so thrilling to go thrifting. I just feel like it's a scavenger hunt. And if you're wondering where to thrift to get your film cameras, I really recommend talking to people and asking them if they have anything in their attics or garage, talking to a relative. You can also check out these Instagram accounts: Expired Film Club, Diptych Film, Film Supply Club. I actually found these 2 different antique shops in downtown Greer, and this one was so large. There were 2.5 stories with Santa Claus at the very top. This one had so many different typewriters and I was easily distracted. Let me know down below if this happens to you whenever you're shopping. One fun thing about thrifting for film cameras though is that every corner you turn, you feel like you're about to find a hidden treasure, and then you turn and there's really actually nothing there. But I did find this really awesome video shop just a few shops down. They had so many different film cameras on display. The owner was kind enough to show me around and show me one of the oldest video projectors, which used to use candles to power the mechanism. Insane.
This is so cool.
Okay, now for the actual haul of this video, we have the Brownie Flash-Six 20 from 1946. This thing was originally $6, guys, $6, and now it runs around $20 to $40, but in my mind, it is worth more than that because it is a beauty. Look at it. Before this box of film cameras, I had 2 different film cameras, the Polaroid Sun 600, which I got for $4 at Goodwill, and then the Fuji Instax Mini 70, which I do have a video all about that if you want to learn film photography for beginners. I think that instant cameras are great to practice and troubleshoot with if you want to learn all about film photography. This next film camera is the Kodak Retina 1A 35mm, and this was made in the 1950s in Germany. Now they run around $50 to $100 depending, and this was super cool because I could not figure out how to get the lens cap open. I thought that it needed a lens or something, but I dislodged something on accident and it just like unfolded, and it was super cool because I've never seen a camera before with like the lens folding in. It was just so neat. And also this leather pouch, this actually had the camera screwed into it, which I'd never seen. Okay, another cool thing, sorry. There's this like, I don't even know what this is. It's like a light meter / I don't even know, rangefinder. Like, what do you even need for film cameras? But this came along with this set and I'm so excited. I really want to do a video with this specific camera. If you guys want one, please comment down below. Comment Kodak. This next Kodak film camera is a beast again. This is the Kodak Tourist camera, and this one was made in 1948 before the Retina one. This one runs around $30 to $50 nowadays. This one is the Brownie No. 2, and this is very old. This was actually made in the 1900s and originally was only $1, which would have been $31 if you bought it this year. But nowadays it's like $15 to $50, so not too expensive, but doesn't it just look like a box. It looks like it wouldn't even work. There's a wooden dowel inside, and it just blows my mind that it actually works as a camera. My thrifted camera haul also includes this Brownie Flasholder, which is very reflective, and all I can really compare it to are those cones that you see in photo studios that hold lights on light stands. And then this camera here is one of my favorites. It is the Kodak number 3A Autographic folding pocket model, and this was made in the 1914s, and this runs around $180 on eBay. And I had to Google what autographic means, and basically autographic film allows the photographer to write notes on the back of the film with a stylus. They basically scratch it onto the paper on the back of the film. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this thrifted film camera haul for props for product photography, and if you guys want to learn more, please make sure you subscribe and watch this playlist for product photography at home on a budget.